So let's go check out the backyard. I couldn't see nothing through the doors and through the window because, you know. See, because they have a right of way to where the manholes are on both sides.
Yeah, I'm not
Granted, it does need to be done, so you know.
That's why I'm not.
It's just the fact that they didn't say, hey, knock, knock, we need to have access to your land. Or, hey, can we have permission to go back there? Or, you know, any of that stuff. But, hey, it's all good. But see, they're not going to do anything to the other side where they're really having a problem at. But I just want to record it.
My question is, you're going to do this side, you're going to do the other side too then.
They're not. Although for a minute I thought that was a toy, but it's a chainsaw.
There go Mr. Tablet Man right there.
Oh, that's Mr. Tablet Man? He's probably the one that called him down here. There's that big stump. Hi.
Hey, excuse me. Are you just doing one side or both sides?
That I have no idea. Cody, are you doing both sides or just one side?
Of the ditch.
I think we're going to clean. Talk about cleaning, but then I don't know. I said that right now, we're putting this from here down. I don't know if we're going to clean this up before we put this back in it.
I mean, but what do you have to, I mean, the reason I ask because basically this was my, all this was my property. And I trying to figure out what was y'all basically doing. I mean, are y'all just putting down gravel or y'all just cleaning out the trees?
We're putting that big stone in there. That way it's not going to undercut your property.
Yeah.
Thank goodness, because
That's what we were kind of like.
yeah, when that tornado came, it took the trees down because you know all you could see was roots, and all the trees landed on my house last year.
We pick up the dead ones.
Yeah, that was those.
Goes out.
Yeah, those are the ones that fell on my house where you could just see the roots.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those got cut down last year when they fell on the house.
But yeah, they're digging that out, but they're putting that B stone along this right here so that it don't undercut it.
Nice,
Okay.
awesome.
So it's going to help from losing your dirt.
Erosion and stuff.
We're gonna get rid of her by truck. Thank you, I appreciate it. Which is what I asked for them to do the last time. Oh, that was all recorded. Huh?
Mr. Tablet Man?
Yeah, I see Mr. Tablet Man.
And my brother saw me, he gave me a double look.
He got off your property real quick too, didn't
And
he?
he just like bouncing around.
I don't know, you want to pull up in there, you might get stuck. Just pull down and turn around in somebody's driveway. Now this is his property down here on this side. But I think he can back out somehow. You see this part right here we don't own. Don't back over here in this
But
ditch.
see what they're doing down there?
Be careful, there's a ditch behind you.
I know.
And I don't know if he can see you. Because see, our crap just goes up to where that drainage ditch is.
Now, but see what they're doing with all that rocks and thing that they.
Careful, he can't see you.
You know, I know that.
You can see him, but he can't see you.
But I know that's why I'm trying. I just turn around.
Can you let us get out, dude? We just wanted to see. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Dickhead. He's a dickhead.
That motherfucker saw me, give me a double take. You know who the fuck I am. That motherfucker didn't say not a word to me. I said, God dare you just say something, motherfucker. I'm not complaining. They're putting that shit down. I just don't understand why it's so important now.
When we asked for it to be done months ago.
And it's not like that man in the wheelchair, motherfucking.
He might have sued the fucking county. You never know what he's doing.
He
might have got hurt.
they trying to
Hey, can you go get me a burger? I'm hungry.
you want my good looks?
Well, no, you came home with 2 little tiny pieces of that
That
left.
was from the other day.
That was from
like,
today.
That was from like 4 days ago.
You lie. You lie, you lie, you lie.
Now I just got one tire on this side done, and then I figured that the other side wasn't. This side wasn't as bad yet,
Yeah.
but it'll probably be bad next week because of the tire over here. I'll probably get another one. Nah, but this whole thing was just one big, thing.
Might have had a wreck somewhere.
It was coming off the highway. It was being diverted off the highway.
And then probably a wreck on the highway then.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It was like diverted off. That's why when I dropped off Bree, I had to go all the way around, come up, and then when I picked her up,
Was Elisa late getting to where she's going?
Huh?
Was Elisa late getting over there to her thing? No.
Nah, I mean, it just that I had to, instead of like
Go the normal way that
go
you
the normal
normally
way,
go?
because I told her, I said it was an
What
accident.
time is it? Oh, it's only 10:30.
I said it was an accident on the highway, so we're gonna have to take the long way around. So I had to basically end up coming back up here at the stoplight and turning on the stoplight, right there,
Yeah.
and going, that way back and come out by Popular.
How much money you got left?
Huh?
How much money you got left?
You see half of a burger.
No, I want some chicken nuggets and a tea.
Huh?
I want some chicken nuggets and a tea.
And some pea.
Ooh, I want those cheese danishes too.
You
Give me a cheese danish, a 20-piece, and a tea.
It's 10:25. It's still serving breakfast.
Huh?
It's still serving breakfast.
Well, then don't go in yet.